I'm at APF 2024 talking to Will about the Neomach Nova X40, which is X40 motor, which is something new for the UK. What can you tell us about it?
Yep, we are a new company in the UK. This is our first exhibition we're doing for this machine. So this is the X40, which is the largest model in the Nova series. We have 3 models: the X20, X30, X40. This is the biggest model in that range. Neomach is a company that was founded in 2020 by Stefano Bellia. His family has been working in steelwork and manufacturing, metalwork fabrication for 50 years. And together with another Stefano, who was an ex-employee of Antonio Ferrero Tractors for 25 years, this is their brainchild. In 2020 they made the first machine, aiming to sort of compete with the entry-level models of Avant and Multi-One, but actually they ended up being over-spec, so they had to, that was the X30, and now we're introducing the X20, which is the entry-level machine.
Yeah.
So some of the features that make our machine stand out from the competition would be, we have a patent on the cab, so the whole cab is suspended on these 4 rubber silent blocks to take out all the kind of vibrations.
Okay.
So the focus really on the company is operator comfort and safety, new innovations and patents, and just sort of superior build quality and materials. So our machines come with floating boom, self-leveling boom, and differential lock as standard. As standard, yeah. We believe those kind of features should be standard. We also have safety valves, so when the machine is working and the operator, if he leaves the cab, all the hydraulics are locked, which is something that I think our competitors don't have, but we also believe should be a standard.
Okay.
This machine has a Kohler engine, 26 horsepower, 1400 cc, stage 5 engine. It puts out 43 litres per minute hydraulic flow. That's just for the boom and attachments. Has 150 kg integrated back weight, so the machine itself, dry weight is 1,820 kgs. So together with the back weights, comes in at just under 2 tons.
Okay.
Height 2 meters, length 2.6 meters, width 1.2 meters. But we can get it down to less than 1 meter if we use smaller tires.
Okay.
Tipping load for this machine is 1,400 kgs. Lifting capacity is 1,200 kgs. We do obviously a selection of attachments for forestry, construction, municipality, ground care, and agriculture, of course.
Okay.
This is the option with the fully heated closed cab, which is the quietest in its class. We also offer a comfort pack, which includes things like the 10mm polycarbonate roof, see-through roof, 12-volt output, cigarette output, lights output, a USB, suspension seat, additional hydraulic circuit, beacon. That comes in the comfort pack. And then also this has the road transit kit. So you have your mirrors, your indicators, your 7-pin socket, your number plate holder, LED lights.
It really is a lot in a small package.
Well, this is always the sort of the challenge with compact loaders. It's high performance while keeping the dimensions and the footprint small.
Sure.
So this, as I said, is our biggest machine in the Nova series. The entry-level machine, the X20, will be premiering, unveiling at AIMA in November this year. And then for the future, we plan to develop the Star range in 2026, which will be a 57 horsepower engine with 80 litres per minute hydraulic flow.
Right.
That's for the plans for the future.
Yeah. So at the moment, it's 2 models in the range, or
three. So the X20, which competes with other entry-level machines for first-time buyers, for people who do not need the lifting capacity. It's still 1 ton tipping load and 800 kg lifting capacity. That's the X20, and the X30 is between that, the X40 and the X20.
And what kind of interest have you had since bringing it to the UK?
A lot of interest. People obviously are interested because it's a new brand. For me personally, it's very interesting to listen to the experiences of farmers or end users who've had Multi-One and Avant machines. and it's great to get their feedback. They've all been very positive feedback of our machine. So we have high expectations and plans for the UK and Ireland in the next few years. We know we're the new kid on the block, a new brand, but we believe we offer something different, something special, especially for owner operators, for people who are going to spend 8-10 hours operating the machine. We believe it's a nicer place to be, and it focuses, as I said, around operator comfort and safety. So, for example, the joystick here is fully integrated into the armrest.
Yes.
So it's ergonomically designed. And I suppose that the crowning jewel of the whole machine is the fully proportional hydraulic system. So it's very sensitive is the first kind of feedback I get, but after getting used to it, you can use the boom and attachments to very, very fine detail with millimeters. And that's something that's really good. It's really appreciated by the users.
Yeah.
What else is there can I say about it?
That might be good enough for now.
Okay, yeah, great. Well, yeah.
But I mean, we'll hopefully have plenty more opportunities to hear more about it in the future.
Definitely.
And
keep an eye out.
Yes.
Keep an eye out for Neomach and for the Nova, because I think there's going to be big impact in the future, and we're looking forward to this market.
Excellent. Well, thanks for talking to us today, Will.
No
Thanks a
worries.
lot.
Thank you.